I am Aditya Vikram Rai, and today we will learn topic national costumes around the world. That is a topic of discovery book that is related from OSR series books and related from Arcade publication. And this topic is subtopic of worldwide, and that is ninth topic national costumes around the world. In this topic you will learn about national costumes of some countries. They are the following. Look at a picture. The national costume of a country represents the identity and culture of a country. The national costume of a country represents the identity and culture of a country. There is a picture. Look at the costumes given below and tick the name of the country to which they belong. We will discuss about that country as like on first there is China. Okay. On first there are two options, China and Nepal. But China is right option because that is a national costume of China. And about this costume, each country in the world has its own unique traditional clothes from which people are able to distinguish one country from another. And so it has been with China. The Hamfu Zhongshan suit, that is also called Mao suit, Tang suit, and Cheongsam, that is also called Qiupiao, are the four most distinctive types of traditional Chinese clothing. Okay. Now on second there are two options, Japan and China. Okay. The right option is Japan. About this costume, the kimono, labeled the national costume of Japan, is the most well-known form of traditional Japanese clothing. The kimono is worn wrapped around the body, left side over right, and is sometimes worn layered. On third, there are two options, Pakistan and India. But that is not national costume of Pakistan, that is national costume of India. So correct option of third is India because dhoti is the national dress of India. A dhoti is to form 4 to 6 feet long, white or color strip of cotton. This traditional attire is mainly worn by men in villages. In India, men also wear long white sarong like sheets of cloth known as mundu. On fourth, there are two options, India and Arab, and that is national costume of Arab, not India, because the Arab national dress is a symbol of pride and identity that has been designed with the dual intent of providing comfort and adhering to religious beliefs. In Dubai, men wear an ankle length, loose fitting garment made of white cotton known as kandora or distasha. Okay. On fifth, there are two options, Bhutan and South Africa. But it's not national costume of Bhutan, that is national costume of South Africa. Their main items of clothing include long skirts and aprons in beautiful printed or embroidered fabrics. Elaborate beaded necklace called ithumbu are worn around the neck, as well as beaded bracelets and anklets. The ikia or headscarf is traditionally worn by married women. And now the last is Bhutan and Sri Lanka. There are two options, Bhutan and Sri Lanka, but it's not national costume of Bhutan, that is national costume of Sri Lanka. because there is no official national costume in Sri Lanka. But the most popular items are sari for women and sarong for men. The tradition in man clothing are simpler and clearer. Men of any age wear sarong or trousers. So you have learned national costumes of some country, and you have to collect some picture of national costume related to different country and write their names also. Thank you.